take my eyes off you. Yeah, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off you. Can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off, can't take my eyes off. Making heads turn, you make my heart burn. It's like I'm awake inside.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola, if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos here on my channel. And I would really love it if you consider subscribing, click the notification bell, and follow me on social media. I'll leave you all those links down there below. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So before I get started with the first outfit, I wanted to share with you some awesome news. My friend Joey has her YouTube channel and she posted her first video. I am super excited and I wanted to share with you her first video so you guys can go watch it and subscribe to her. We can go support her and show her some love. I'll link all the details down there below. Her channel name is JJ's Pink Secrets, and if you guys love my channel, you're going to love hers because she loves everything pink and girly as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with outfit number 1.
Didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
Video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite or which pair of leggings do you really love. So I will leave you all the links to everything that I mentioned down there below, as well as other options for other styles of leggings. And I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Wanna escape your thoughts.